Install the support column on the base. Install the limit ring and tighten the knob to secure it. Install the crossbar fasteners onto the support column and tighten it using the knob. Insert the crossbar into the retainer, tighten the connector, and secure it using an L-shaped wrench. Locking knob fixes the crossbar. Secure the upright to the crossbar, tightening the locking knob. Unscrew the cap on the column and install the microscope lens holder. Tighten the column cap. Adjust the lens holder to a suitable height. Loosen the screws. Mount the microscope lens onto the bracket. Then tighten the screws. Loosen the screws. Install eyepieces. Tighten the screws to secure the eyepieces. The installation steps for the other eyepieces are the same. Install the leather case onto the eyepiece. Connect the screen and the tri-lens interface. Using a zoom connector. Connect screen power. Use an L-shaped wrench to lock the connection position. Mount the 0.5x objective lens at the bottom of the microscope lens. Assemble the controller for the ring light and connect it to the power supply. Tighten the 3 screws to secure the ring light below the microscope lens. Turn on the controller switch. Adjust the brightness of the ring light.